Department of Information and Communications Technology is targeting to build 60,000 more cell sites in the country before the end of the current administration. Tower licenses to be extended as well to boost signal. More details in this Rod Lagusad story.
The target of the Department of Information and Communications Technology is to build an additional 60,000 cell sites before the current administration ends, as it aims to strengthen the country's network signal. According to Secretary Henry Aguda, there are currently about 35,000 sites in the country.
Right now, I think safely we can do 30,000. We're trying to figure out how else we can accelerate the build. We're not giving up on the 60,000 dream. Kasi if you go to 60,000, meron ka ng 35,000, nasa 95,000 ka na lang. Diba? 5,000 na lang, nasa 100,000 ka na.
The Secretary said that the priority are geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas or GDAs. He stressed that 30% of the population who still have no access to a stable signal will also included in those who stand to benefit from the said program. At the same time, the DICT has extended the tower licenses from the previous 5 years to 15 years. According to Aguda, this is in line with the President's directive to promote ease of doing business.
Hiningan niya ako na recommendation, rin-recommend ko, boss, bigyan na natin ng 15 years, renewable, continuous, approved. Well, now, that was about a month and a half ago. We went through the consultation, we went through the process. Now, we've signed na the extension.
He said that the public will benefit from the construction of cell sites by private sectors such as PhilTower MIDC, a member of the Information Tower Companies Association of the Philippines.
So far, Globe and Smart are the only ones that sold their towers into a sell and leaseback format. That went about for 70% of their assets, so that's 14,000 towers, and about half of them, I would say, are out of that 35 today in place, have been built or owned by independent tower companies since 2022.
Aguda emphasized that there will be no cost to the government. He stressed that this kind of cell site cannot easily be damaged by calamities. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.